What is going on, my fellow cyberpunk chooms? What I have here for you
Good
is
news is you got
don't
this
fear
warrior
the
who's already
Reaper.
dead,
I'm gonna go ahead
and
and kind
he'd
of just
be
shut up
honored to
real quick,
join you
and
in
I'll
the
catch you on
wild
the other side of
suicides.
the Johnny Silverhand talk
You,
to.
me, and Arasaka Tower. Kinda sounds like a Eurodyne lyric, I know, but trust me, we'll go fucking Nova.
This plan, what would it entail, exactly?
Plan? Well, might be how Rogue operates. I say you grab the hottest iron you can find, stride in the tower's front door, and cut your own path down to the lower levels. If Mikoshi's deep underground like Hanako claims it is, you'll just have to find the elevator.
If I gotta die, rather fall into my grave, gun in hand and on fire, and not drag anyone down with me.
Huh. You just discovered what it takes to become a legend. Grab your iron. Let's mobilize.
As promised, here I am on the other side. I like that little moment between Johnny and V, where Johnny turns out to be a good friend, and I really think, um, sure, he was, not a particularly good individual in life, but in death, I think Johnny Silverhand turned out to be pretty cool. So what we have going on here is the Don't Fear the Reaper ending, supposedly the hardest ending, and I am going to say that it is definitely objectively an extremely hard ending. The first time that I had done this, I was like, cool. I think I was like level, like, I don't know, like 45, 46, and didn't have my armor rating up as high as I did for this run. I didn't have any health. My health was like, I think at like 370, and when I had gone through the Don't Fear the Reaper ending this time that you guys are seeing, man, I was over 500. I had the adrenaline rush, which, if you guys do make it to the end, you're going to see me use that adrenaline rush to great effect, because I really had to, especially with the overclock ability and how it takes away from my health. Man, if I didn't have that adrenaline, I really don't think I was going to be able to beat Atom Smasher. It did take me quite a few times. I think it took me about 6 times to finally get the strategy right. But man, once I did, it was so satisfying to finally put him to an end, man. Like, it was one of the best feelings I think I've had in quite some time. And the crazy thing is too, is when I took on this ending, I didn't know that you lose health, that your health regeneration is kind of crap. And again, that adrenaline rush ability, whenever I like hit my health item, which I had one of the cyber parts where it was like an automatic, when my health dropped below a certain point, it would hit me automatically, which was, I mean, pretty preem, quite a few times during this fight. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. I hope you guys make it to the end, and if you do,
For the first
I'd
time,
like
we'll
to
up in smoke.
hear some of your
Elevator's what we want.
hear some of your opinions. I guess see some of your opinions on how
Needs an
you thought I
access.
might have done with the build.
Need to find a
Again, this
car
is the
for some
first time I've gone through this, and
chops,
I really, man,
stags.
I had a really
You'll
good
have our
time with it.
access token.
Alrighty, guys, thank you again if you made it to this point, and as always, I will catch you guys most definitely in the next one. Take it easy. Peace. Oh, you know what? I take that back, guys. If you guys do make it to the end, along with the comments, if you would be ever so kind to subscribe, hit that like, because the next time I play this, after I do the tower ending, I am going to go ahead and do a very hard run. I don't think I'll do quite the same build, although I'm kind of leaning towards the particular build that I did go through. But alright, guys, I am definitely 100% going to leave it here. and I do appreciate it that you have made it to the end of my introduction and shameless plug. Alright guys, take it easy. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.
So far, so good.
Got it.
Perfect kick.
We've got heavy casualties!
Starting to think this plan wasn't batshit crazy after all.
He attacked me! Reloading!
Target is critical. Move to eliminate.
Mercy!
Netrun Operations Control. Sounds like a good place to run a mega facility from.
We plug in your output there. See how she settles in.
I'd expect a very warm welcome down below if I were you.
Good. If we're going out, it better be with fucking fireworks.
Gonna be an ambush, no doubt. Just focus. You're better than them. Mother... Brace yourself, V.
I got you! Enemy contact! They're opening fire! Holy shit! Hey, Solo! Fucking blast him! Together! I got you! Back up! Where is that fucking back up?
Hey, over here. Ain't no expert, but sure looks like the tower's mainframe to me.
Guess we just see what happens when we jack alt in.
Heads up.
Like this.
Time for
I surrender! Let me live! I need covering fire! God, no, please!
target. Pacifying. Commencing neutralizing force. Terrorist activity detected. Pacifying. 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 Pacifying.
I will personally find them. No. 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 Open fire! Protect!
Surround the target. Pacifying. Pacifying. He's wounded!
All right. Not exactly seeing any slots.
Mainframe's under the floor, most likely. Need to find a way to eject it.
Nah, like a goddamn adventure game. turret. Think you can use it?
We'll find out.
Damn, could really use you right now, Spider. This what we're looking for? Okay, and?
Opening fire! Fire! Shooting!
Take their position! Close the face!
That's the slot. Let's make Alted home.
Rex output performs as advertised.
Mighty in despair.
System overrunner. I am in control. System personnel neutralized. The path to Mikoshi lies open.
Come on, let's go.
Arasaka Netrunners have stormed the tower's systems. Stopping their advance is my priority. Continue on your way alone. I've cleared a path, but you must hurry. An elite security unit is following you.
Alt! You here?
What's with the door? Don't strain yourself now.
Interesting. Are you? I will rip your brain from your skull! There will be nothing left. Don't prolong the revelation.
Don't strain yourself now.
Hold! This is your All for naught! Struggle if you wish! Survival favors the strong! Struggle if you wish! Survival favors the strong! Don't prolong the inevitable! Come here! There will be nothing left! I will rip your brain from your skull! You spared Oda. So very human and disgusting. Mercy is disgusting. Survival favors the strong. This is your doom. You are nothing. Where is Rome? Wanting no part of this raid, you cunt. Once I finish with you, I'll hunt her down. Retreat is no option. Survival favors the strong. Is this the pain? What the sensation? If you survival favors the strong. If you wish. Survival favors the strong.
Johnny Silverhand sends his regards.
Koshi before they
Are
launch.
you fucking with me now?
He's got a point, V. Shut up and finish him. Be done with it.